Good morning, students. We are on behalf of ONIC here. Due to the present scenario, we are not going to school physically. That's why we are trying to reach you through this social media, giving you some teachings through social media. And I want to thank ONIC organization to organize such type of activities to help the students, those who are at home and are not able to go to the school physically. I think you are all missing your friends, so better days will come, and let us start. We are going to learn congruences of triangle. You know, triangles are least-sided closed polygon. So triangles are of various types. On the basis of side, there are three types of triangle. There are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle. And on the basis of angle, there are three types of triangles. There are acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, and obtuse angled triangle. Now, in geometrical figure, when we are trying to do the congruency means two figures, they are identical and equal in every sense. That means congruence. So first we have to know what are the congruence rules. First one, there are many rules that we can use to prove two triangles are congruent. First, say this is a triangle. Say it is A, B, C, and it is another triangle D, E, F. So if we want to prove these two triangles are congruent, so how? There are so many congruence rules. First of one, there is S, S, S. It means side, side, side. That means if we compare two triangles, any three sides of all the three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the another triangle, then two triangles are congruent. So this is the first congruent rule, that is SSS. First one, say if I compare these two triangles, that these are two triangles, I am telling AB of this triangle ABC, side AB equal to of triangle DEF, that is DE. Again, side BC and triangle DEF, EF. And the third side, that is CA of this triangle, equal to side FD. If these three corresponding sides of the two triangles are equal, then we can say triangle ABC is congruent. This is the congruent sign. Triangle DEF. So this one is the first congruence rule between two triangles. Now I am explaining it again, that in case of congruence, two triangles are congruent if three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then two triangles are congruent. In this condition, the congruence rule is SSS, side, side, side. Here it is a triangle ABC and it has three sides AB, BC, CA. Another triangle DEF, it has also three sides DE, EF and FD. If we compare the three sides of ABC with the corresponding three sides of the triangle DEF, then we can say in such criteria AB equal to DE, BC equal to EF and CA equal to FD. So the three sides of this triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of the another triangle DEF. So in this case, two triangles are congruent. This is the first congruence rule. Now we can proceed to the second one. This rule is number 2, that is SAS. It means side, angle, side. Here, if we take two triangles again, here we have two triangles. Triangle PQR, triangle XYZ. In these two triangles, if we compare, I am telling that PQ, side PQ of this triangle equal to corresponding side XY. Then angle PQR, angle PQR equal to angle XYZ, and then again QR equal to YZ. In this criteria, the side angle side, in this congruence rule, two triangles are congruent in this way if two sides of a triangle and its included angle is are equal to the corresponding two sides and included angle of another triangle, then two triangles are congruent. Here I am explaining it through this example. Say here two triangles, one is PQR and another one is XYZ. In this criteria, here these are the signs you will get which side is corresponding side to the another triangle. Here one dash, here one dash. That means this side corresponding to this side. This two dash and these two dash, that means this side equal to the corresponding this side. And between these two sides, it is an angle PQR. You know, angles are always named as per their vertex. So PQR and to the corresponding triangle, that is XYZ. This is the angle XYZ. So if we compare in this triangle, PQ equal to XY. Here PQ side equal to XY QR equal to YZ, and the angle included these two sides, this one and this one. The angle must be included the sides what we are showing here. Whenever we are going to compare, we have to know that the angle must be included the corresponding two sides. Otherwise, no. If we say this side equal to this side equal to this side, but this angle equal to this angle, no. This rule will not be used here or will be proper here. Why? This angle is not included between these two sides. This angle is not included in these two sides. So you must be clear that the angle must be included in the given two sides. No, so it will not be, and it will not be. It will not be, it will not be. Only these two angles will be come under consideration. That is, in these two triangle, again I am telling side angle side. PQ corresponding XY, angle PQR corresponding XYZ, and side QR corresponding YZ. These three criteria, if it fulfills, then we can say these two triangles are congruent. So this is the second congruency rule. You will get by sign or by indication in your question paper. In your question paper, that is, you will get the sign indication, otherwise you will get it in written in the question paper. You have to prove all the proofs or all the theorem related to the congruency of triangles. You will get proper information in the question paper, either through drawing or by information given in the question. So these are the initial two rules for congruency of triangles. Here we are going to know about the different congruence rules of triangles. First one, triangles. What are triangles? Triangles are least sided closed polygon, and one geometrical figure also. There are different types of triangles. So whenever we are going to see two triangles, then we can compare both of them, whether they are equal or not. Sometimes two triangles may be look alike, but they are not equal. So if we want to prove that two triangles are exactly equal in every sense, then we have to use some rules, those which are known as congruence of triangles rules. Here there are many congruence rules. That is one SSS, that is side side side. Another one SAS, side angle side. Third one ASA, angle side angle. And fourth one, that is RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. Here we are going to know these two, angle side angle. So in this case, when we are going to know this congruence rule, then say we have to draw two triangles. Whenever we are going to compare two triangles under ASA rule, then surely we have to compare the three sides and three angles. Out of every triangle has three sides and three angles. Here the rules is two triangles are congruent if two angles and its included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and included side of the another triangle, then two triangles are congruent. I am repeating it. Two angles and their included side of one triangle, if equal to the corresponding two angles and included side of another triangle, then two triangles are congruent under ASA, angle side angle congruence rule. Here in your exercise and your book, you will get different signs to indicate which side is corresponding to the other corresponding side of the triangle, which angle is equal to the corresponding other angle. Here I am showing that, say, angle this one, RPQ, and in this triangle angle CAB. Another angle, here I am telling PQR. Say I am giving double lines, and here angle ABC. These are the two angles of this triangle, and these are the two corresponding angles of this triangle. Now the included side is this. Included side is this. So here if we compare in triangle PQR and triangle ABC, we have angle RPQ equal to angle CAB. Again, angle PQR equal to angle ABC. Now between these two angles, this is the side included in, because this side is common in the both of the angle. That means PQ, and here in this case of two triangles, this one and this one, this side is common. So side AB, this is angle, this is side, this is angle. So angle, side, angle. So in this format, these two triangles are congruent under ASA congruence rule. Therefore, triangle PQR congruent to triangle ABC under ASA congruence criteria. So this is the third congruent rule. Now we are going to know the fourth one. RHS. What is RHS? RHS means right angle, right. H means hypotenuse, S means side. We know what a right angled triangle. A triangle with one angle 90 degree, that is right angled triangle. Here ABC is a right angled triangle. Here it is another right angled triangle, that is PQR. In these two triangles, both are right angled triangles. Now, here this angle, this sign indicates normally right angle, that means that measure 90 degree. Here in these two triangles, both are right angle, and we know what is hypotenuse. The side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse. Here it is also. The side opposite to the right angle is hypotenuse. Now, in this criteria, two right angled triangles are congruent if their hypotenuse and any one side of the remaining two sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding sides of the another right angled triangle. Here ABC and PQR both are right angled triangle. Now triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, right angled at B. PQR, another right angled triangle, right angled at Q. So in these two figures, AC is the hypotenuse. Here PR is the hypotenuse. So what to prove? Right angle, okay, both are right angle. Now the hypotenuse, and say BC equal to QR. In this case, how can we prove it? In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, or you can write right angled triangle ABC and PQR. We have angle ABC equal to angle PQR. Here you have to write reason. Both are right angles. Then in this triangle, AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle, PR is the hypotenuse of this triangle, given as I have already indicated in the figure, that is, you can write the reason given. Similarly, right angle, hypotenuse and one side BC equal to QR. That is also given. So in this criteria, we can say triangle ABC congruent the triangle PQR under RHS congruence rule. So these are the basic 4 congruency rules to prove two triangles are congruent to each other.